Hi, in front of me is cat S61, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation on this device. First of all, open tab menu. Now click on auto rotate icon. Auto rotation is now turned on. You can turn it off by tapping at the same icon, but you can also go into device settings, scroll down, choose display, click on advanced and click on the switcher next to auto rotate screen to enable or disable it. If you want to check out if it works, go into any app, like photos, and turn your device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!